welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new vlog, guys. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. If you have not checked out my previous vlog where I have showed the beautiful Rambagh Palace, the property tour of the Rambagh Palace, do have a look. I will attach the link in the description box below. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Today I will be showing you guys the room we stayed in the Rambagh Palace, and it is a beautiful room, guys. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this one as well. And without talking much, let's straight away go and dive into the video. This is the beautiful lobby of the Rambagh Palace. So when you come out of the lift, you pass through this area and you go towards our room, and this is our room, which is known as the Sheesh Mahal. Welcome to our Sheesh Mahal room, guys. So as you enter, on your right is the cupboard. Let me just open it and show it to you guys. So on this side there is this locker and shelves. You can keep your stuffs over here. On the other side there are hangers kept, so you can hang your clothes, and these are the hangers. You can hang your clothes over here, and there are 2 pairs of slippers kept over here. So on your right is the cupboard, and on your left is this area where you can keep your luggages and stuffs. So now let me go and show you guys the beautiful room. Isn't it beautiful, guys? So over here there are 2 chairs and a table where you can sit and drink a cup of coffee. This beautiful room is decorated, and the concept is derived from Sheesh Mahal, which used to be during the Raja's time, used to be made of only mirrors and the reflections of it. And this is a beautiful bed, very soft and very comfortable. Over here there's a sofa, and let me just first show you guys the side table. Just look at the work, guys. This is the beautiful lampshade. Everything in this room is so beautiful. So this is the sofa, another table with fresh fruits over here. You can sit and watch TV. So this is the TV, and this is the AC. So as I was saying, the whole concept of this room is basically Sheesh Mahal, so made of mirrors and its reflection. So this is another beautiful thing over here. So this is the work table where you have a table and a chair, and this is another beautiful structure with beautiful showpiece. And yes, this is the working table. On this side is another side table, another sofa over here, and this is basically our view. So let me just show it to you guys. Let me just remove the curtains, and let me just show you guys what view we have got. This is the front side of the hotel. So you enter the hotel from this area, and this is our beautiful view. Even the work of the curtain is so beautiful. Just have a look, guys. Yes, this is our beautiful Sheesh Mahal room, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Let me know in the comments, how did you like this beautiful room of the Rambagh Palace? And yes, this is our room, and now let's go towards the next section. Moving ahead, this is a beautiful showpiece, as you guys can see, and there's a mini cupboard. Let me just open it for you guys and show it to you guys. So in this area there's a cup and coffee maker and all kept. Over here are the tea bags, coffee pouches, etc. And here is the fridge. So this is all about the things which are there in this cupboard. And on this side is this beautiful mirror, as you guys can see, and this is my dress, and this is me. And yes, just look at the intricate work, guys. The mirror is also so beautiful. So yeah, this is it. And now going towards the washroom, there is this basin over here with towels kept, then soap, brushes and etc stuffs kept over here. There's a mirror. On this side is the bathtub, and also extra towels are there. This is the shower area where you can take bath. The shower is really good, guys. So this is the shower area. Let me just open it for you guys. There's a shampoo and conditioning kept, and over here there is the pan. That's it. This is the beautiful washroom. These are some of the fun boomerangs which I took over there, and I hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Do comment down below how did you like this video. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, guys. Do let me know in the comments, and do share, subscribe, and do give a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching, guys. I will meet you super soon with another video. And as I always say, stay happy, be kind, and keep smiling.